Good morning, everyone. Get ready with your grammar book. We will continue parts of speech. Grammar book in front of you. Today, pronoun. We are waiting for your friends to join. Some of your friends are still coming. Till then, get ready with your grammar book. Pronoun. Today, we will continue with pronoun. Noun we have read already in previous class. For this class, we will see pronoun. You can see the examples and see it in your book. Yeah, Kushal, are you asking anything?
Good morning, ma'am. 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 English question answer. Yes, good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, page number. Good morning, ma'am. Page number.
Every time it is not necessary to write cow, 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 cow. Cow is a animal, cow lives in shade, cow have 2 ears, cow have no need to write cow every time. In place of cow, the noun cow can be replaced with the pronoun word it. In the first line, if you write cow is an animal, domestic animal, then after you can use it is our national animal. It is worshipped as a god. It has 2 horns. It is not necessary to write cow every time. So the most important use of pronoun is to make our writing shorter. If we write noun again and again, our writing will be too much long. Yes. So these pronouns, it help us to make our writings shorter, attractive, and more meaningful. Okay, that's why we use pronoun. Pronoun is just used to replace noun. Okay, some of your friends are still coming. Let's wait for them. Okay, I'm sharing you slide now. Let's see pronoun. Okay, pronoun you have studied also. It's not that much hard or too much difficult. It's just the word that is used in place of noun. You have to understand. Okay, some of the example, common examples are there in your book, like I, we, he, she, it, they. These are very common examples of pronoun. Okay, let's see the slide and understand. Okay, this is pronoun. Let's see. Pronoun are words that replaces noun. Means that is used. Pronouns are the words that is used in place of writing noun. Yeah. In the first picture, you can see one girl is there. For girl, you will write he, she, or her. Yeah. Depends on the sentence. She is a girl. It is her book. Okay. She is a girl. In place of she, Sita is a girl. Let's say is a sentence. In place of Sita, we can write she. We can shorten the name. We can make the writings very attractive. it will be in place of Sita, we can write she. And it is her book. Next is many friends are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boys are there. Boys and girls together. Okay. For that, for plural persons, we have to use it. Sorry, we have to use they or them. Okay. They are my friends. I like to talk with them. Okay. Either they or them. Depends on the sentence. The last picture you can see one cycle is there. Very beautiful red color cycle is there. For things. Okay. For things and animal, you have to use it. Okay. For humans, for boy, you will write he or him. For girl, you will write she or her. For group of people, you will write they or them. Animal and thing, you have to write it. Okay. These are the common, very common pronouns that are mostly used. Okay. Are you clear? Are you clear about pronoun? Nod your head. Nod your head up and down if you understand. And nod your head left to right if you don't understand. Okay. Anyway, let's see the next slide. Read and understand. One paragraph is there. Look at Hari. Hari is a good boy. Okay, some changes. Okay, wait. Wait for a while. Okay. Okay, sorry for the disturbance. Okay, you can see that there in the screen. Read and understand. Look at Hari. Hari is a good boy. Hari loves to study. All right. Okay. So look at Hari. Let's see the example of a paragraph writing. Okay. This is look at Hari. We are talking about Hari. And Hari is a good boy. Hari loves to study. And Hari is good at skating. Okay. So every time we are talking about Hari, we have used the noun Hari. Hari is used every time. Okay. So here, now read this sentence again. Now look at Hari. Instead of Hari, we can use he, because Hari is a boy. Okay. For boy, we have to use he. Now look at the sentence. Look at Hari. First sentence. Second sentence, he is a good boy. He loves to study. He is good at skating. The word he takes the place of Hari and is called pronoun. Okay. In place of Hari, we have used here he, and we have addressed Hari by replacing the word Hari with the pronoun he. Okay. So by this example, it is clear that pronoun is a word which is used to replace the use of noun again and again. Okay. When we have to replace the use of noun, we use pronoun. Okay. Pronoun is the word which are used in place of noun. Are we clear? I will unmute you. You share your ideas. Okay. Are you clear about pronoun?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't shout.
My net was going. That's why I cannot
See the slide now.
understand animal. Ma'am, I also.
You can see the slide now. See the example. You will understand. Slide is there in your screen. See there, you will understand very clearly that the use of Hari has been replaced by using he.
Ma'am, that's not writing copy.
Don't need.
Not writing
Definition
copy.
you have written already. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, this starting. That's why. Morning, ma'am.
Some of your friends just arrived. Don't be late, okay? If you are late, you will lose the class. You will miss something. Okay, don't be late. You have to be on time. That is sharp 11. After 11:10, we had started the class. 10 minutes we waited for everyone. Don't be late, okay? We were talking about pronoun. Pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. Pronoun is a word which replaces noun, okay? So here in the example also, we are talking about Hari, that Hari is a good boy, Hari is he loves studying, Hari is good at skating, but instead of Hari we can use one word to describe him, that is he. So the sentence can be changed and we can make the sentence shorter by using look at Hari, he is a good boy, he loves to study, he is good at skating. So the word he takes place of Hari and is called pronoun. Okay. So I don't feel like talking too much about pronoun because you have read and it is simple and easy that the place where noun are used, like noun is person, place, thing and animal. So in place of those things, person, animals, we use a different word to address them, to denote them. These words are pronoun. Okay? Be clear about it. All right? Why are you raising hand? And when I open, no one speaks. Now all are four students are raising hand. I don't understand. You do it for fun or you really want to ask something? Okay, sodna pare matre you have to raise your hand. Otherwise, don't raise your hand. Anyway, so here is next slide. Read the sentence and understand. Let's see some of the sentences. Before we saw one paragraph, now it is a sentence. Okay. First sentence you can see there. She is telling them a story. Them means there are many people. Okay. For plural we use they or them. So she is telling them a story. The word she and them is here pronoun. Okay. He wanted to show his games. He and his is a pronoun. it has a long tail. The word eat replaces some animal. So the word eat is a pronoun. This book belongs to you. This means it is showing something. So this and you mean some person. So these two words are replacing a thing and a person. That's why these are pronoun. The last one you can see there, 5 number. The last one, they came to study. The group of people, they, here they can be he, Ram, Hari, Sita, Gita came to study. Vannuko sata. In place of these long names, it is used, the word they is used. Okay, many people la address karnalai only one word is used there, that is they. That is called pronoun. Okay, all right, are you clear with these examples? Yeah, Elisa, I can see your ceiling only. Fan is moving. Where are you? I can't see you. Elisa Khatri. Sorry, Elisa Gautam. Elisa Gautam. Only fan. I can see your fan only. I can't see you. Pankhala हेरेर पढाउने हो मैले? Keep your camera in front of you and sit. Okay, all right. This much for pronoun. Okay. You can read the example which is given in your book. You will be very clear when you read the example. Only what you have to be clear is pronoun is the word which is used, or the word which replaces noun, which is used in place of noun. Noun means person, place, thing, or animal. Clear? So in next slide, I have some questions for you, classwork. I will unmute you. Before I unmute you, you have to unmute yourself. You have to mute yourself. And then I will take some of your names and you have to tell me which one is pronoun. All right? Are you clear, everyone? Mute yourself and sit. Don't shout at once. Whenever I take any name only, you have to unmute and speak. Are we clear? Clear? Okay. Okay, I have some classwork for you. Classwork means I will ask, okay? I will ask. No, I will ask.
I have not understand.
What? Pronoun you have not understood?
No, ma'am.
You have joined just now?
Ma'am, because of net, it was not, that's why I should have to leave net, so that's why it that net goes, then it
all right, I'm repeating again, okay? Don't be late. Pronoun you have read already, so that's not much difficult for you. You can see here, pronoun is a word that replaces noun. Replace भनेको के हो? ठाउँ लिन्छ, noun को ठाउँमा बस्छ, noun को ठाउँमा आउँछ. What? Pronoun. Okay. I, me, she, we, they, who, that, yours, his, her, it, etc. Some of the examples, so many examples are given there in your book. You can see there and read the examples. Okay. So what thing you have to understand is pronoun is a word which are used in place of noun. We remove the noun, we erase the noun from the sentence, and we use pronoun in place of noun. Okay, the most important use of pronoun is to make our writing shorter, to make our long writing, like if you have to write a long essay, then every time you are writing again and again noun, again and again noun, this will be difficult for you. That's why a small and a simple words are introduced, which are pronoun, which can be used in place of noun to denote noun. So for group of people, we can say them or they. For things or animal, we can use the word it. For boy, we can say he or him. Okay. And for girl, we can say she or her. Okay. So these are the words which can be used in place of noun. Noun ko sattama use hune. Okay. Here I had shared you one paragraph writing, look at Hari. Hari is a good boy. We are talking about Hari, and every time noun is repeated. Hari is a good boy. Hari loves to study. Hari is a good at skating. Again and again we are using the word Hari. So when you use pronoun, we don't have to use noun again and again, and our readings also will be nice. Hamro sentence, hamro paragraph looks better. Okay, our sentences, they look attractive. Using Hari, Hari, Hari every time is not looking good. So when we use pronoun, look at Hari, he is a good boy, he loves to study, he is good at skating. Our sentence also gets shortened and it looks attractive also and interesting. Okay, so we replace noun by using the word pronouns. Okay, very common pronoun are he, she, it, they, them. You can see here, these are very commonly used pronoun. Okay, I, me, she, her, we, they, who, that, yours, his, or it. These are very commonly used pronoun. Okay, I guess all of you are clear. Don't be late. If you will be late, then you will not understand. Okay. So next is your asking session to check whether you have understood or not. For this, you have to mute yourself and sit. I will call your name and you will unmute and we will talk. All right. Don't speak. Speaker off गर्ने सबैजनाले. All right.
Now I understand.
All right, good. Keep your speaker off, everyone. Okay. Okay, Shishir, I can't see you. Who is this Shishir?
Ma'am.
Okay. Next. Yuzan. Yuzan Pangeni. Yuzan. Say yes, ma'am. Yuzan. All right. Do you see this screen? This is your classwork. Identify pronoun in the given sentence. You have to identify pronoun in the sentences given. Okay. Do you see one number? Read the sentence. Read the sentence loudly. Yuzan, read the sentence, please.
This is
one number.
Our school. This is our school.
This school is ours. Is your sentence. Okay. Which one is pronoun? What do you think? This whose iPad is this? Kalawati's iPad. This is disturbing a lot. Yesterday also it was disturbing a lot. Please see your speaker and keep it off.
And this.
Mute the speaker. Please.
Ma'am, this.
Yeah. What is the answer?
This.
These. Only these. Only this is pronoun. Okay, next. Keep your speaker off, please. Okay, Priyansi Gurung. Priyansi Gurung.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you see question number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
This school is ours. Which one is pronoun? What do you think? Only ours. Only ours. These and ours. These denotes our place and ours denotes person. In place of place and person, we are using pronoun here. So in 1 number, these and ours is a pronoun. All right. Utsav. Utsav Bhusal. Utsav Bhusal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 2 number. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
I can do my work myself. Which one is pronoun? What do you think?
I don't mind.
I or my? Only?
I and my.
I, my, and myself. Okay, myself is also a form of pronoun. Okay. I, my, and myself is pronoun in this sentence. Very good. Okay, next. Lisa. Unmute गर्ने पहिला. All right. Question number 3. This house is mine. What do you think? These and mine. Okay, all right.
Asking to Lisa.
This is coming. Okay, keep your speaker off, please. Anmol.
Which father is talking?
Anmol.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you see next? 5 number question. Sorry, 4 number. Question number 4. Do you see? No one is speaking.
Father is talking.
Okay. Devina. Devina Ariel. Devina Ariel. Okay, can you see question number 4? It is very expensive.
Expensive.
No, expensive is not the word used in place of noun. Noun ko satta use hune matra word lekne ho bhanne ho. Okay, only it in question number 4. Only it, okay? Good. Next. 4 minutes remaining, okay?
I say.
Please don't make noise, okay? Who is this? Arun. Okay, next question number 5. Can you hear me? Barsa. Next question is, can you hear me? Which one is pronoun? What do you think? Only pronoun, okay? Only pronoun. Pronoun भनेको noun को सट्टामा युज हुने. Who is this? Don't shout.
Ma'am, this is writing the cheese. Ma'am, this is writing the cheese. No, I will say.
All right, everyone is shouting. I say, I say, I say. This is not good because we are not in class. We are in online class and time is going up and you are disturbing. Anyway, in question number 5, can you hear me? You and me is a pronoun. He went home himself. The word he and himself is a pronoun. They didn't come today. They is a pronoun. All right. So your homework is to write any 5 sentence. Homework is to write any 5 sentence and underline pronoun. Write 5 sentence and underline pronoun. In our next class, we'll move towards adjective. You have to read adjective and come in next class. All right. Homework is to write 5 sentences and underline pronoun in it. All right. Clear, everyone? Okay. Be attentive in class. Don't make noise. Don't shout. Don't shout I when I start asking question. Otherwise, it is very difficult. Class will be disturbed. Okay. All right. 1 minute remaining. See you all. I'm stopping now. Homework I told you. Write any 5 sentence. Write any 5 sentence. And you have to underline pronoun in it. Means pronoun bhako sentence lekhne feri. Noun matrai, adjective matrai bhako sentence lekhne haina. Make a sentence and underline pronoun and tell me which one is pronoun. Okay. All right. This was for today. See you in next class. Bye bye everyone.